Huawei made the newest mid-range contender as the most fun and chic smartphone for Gen Z. It is claimed to be all-in-one and tech-savvy smartphone inspiring young pioneers. Here is the Nova 5T. Hello techies! Welcome to my Lee's Tech channel. So excited na excited tayo today kasi finally, mare-review ko na rin ang isa sa pinag-uusapang smartphone nowadays, ang Nova 5T. Yes, techies. Alam niyo naman siguro kung bakit pinag-uusapan siya. Kasi this smartphone is the only mid-range na may flagship specs. Yes guys, you heard it right. Meron siyang 5 AI cameras, meron siyang Kirin 980 chipset, and meron siyang 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So excited na excited ako techies. Alamin ang performance ng smartphone na to, ang itsura niya. Gusto kong makita siya in actual kung maganda ba talaga siya at makita natin kung worth it ba talaga siya sa price niyang 18,990. So techies, without talking too much, let's unbox this Huawei Nova 5T. Ayan na nga techies, nandito na sa ating harapan ang box ng Nova 5T, and as you can see, ang box niya is napaka-colorful niya and maganda yung box niya techies kasi solid. So excited na excited akong buksan to para makita natin yung unit. As we open the box techies, makikita mo may dalawang boxes. Merong box ng speaker and box ng smartphone. If you guys are wondering kung bakit may box ng speaker, kasi techies meron silang pre-order bundle kung saan this September 6 to 13 is you can get free HW surround speaker worth 1,990 plus IFLIX 1-year subscription worth 1,308. So kung gusto nyo umavail sa kanilang pre-order is punta lang kayo sa link below. So guys, nandito na nga yung box ng smartphone. So see guys, sa box ng smartphone, napaka-simple lang niya and buksan na natin para makita agad natin yung unit. Andito na nga guys yung unit, and bago natin siya kilatisin is let's look for its other accessories muna. So you can see guys, nandito na yung pinajector niya, USB Type-C cable and wall adapter, and meron din siyang isang adapter. I think it's for that 3.5mm earphone jack. So tingnan na natin yung smartphone na to guys. Wow! And there you go! Okay guys, as you can see sa likod niya, sobrang ganda ng design. I like its multi-layered 3D effect, looks really enticing. And gustong-gusto ko yung design nila kasi slender lang. Actually, magaan lang yung smartphone, guys. Reflective design siya. Playful siya, especially kapag ma-reflect siya sa isang light. Napakaganda at napaka-iconic talaga yung design niya, guys. Pinag-isipan talaga yung design ng Huawei. Actually, this one is made out of glass and meron siyang metallic frame. So guys, sa right side niya, makikita nyo ang volume rockers and fingerprint scanner. So, in fairness guys, yung fingerprint scanner nila is naka-place sa side, hindi sa rear, which is good kasi hindi nasisira yung view ng back cover niya. Side is makikita nyo yung SIM card tray. And sa upper part is light indicator and microphone. And then sa lower part is nandito yung speaker, USB Type-C port, and microphone, and another lights indicator. And then sa front side guys, meron siyang punch hole camera. As you can see guys, napakaganda ng display ng smartphone na to. Parang magalaw din yung kanyang display. Napakaganda ng icons niya. Truly, this has the best LCD display so far. By the way guys, yung screen pala ng smartphone na to is meron siyang 6.26 LCD 2340 by 1080p screen resolution. And as you can see, napakanipis na lang ng bezels niya sa display niya. Napaka-playful talaga ng design niya. Perfect for the Gen Z. And of course, sa mga young at hearts dyan. And what I like about this smartphone guys, slender siya. Meron siyang 7.87mm thickness and meron lang siyang 174 grams weight, which is hindi siya mabigat and napaka-eksakto lang niya sa kamay mo. Napaka-generous talaga ng Huawei guys. Isipin mo sa isang mid-range smartphone is meron siyang pang flagship specs. Meron siyang Kirin 980 chipset and 2.6 octa-core CPU. Maganda din sa kanya guys is meron siyang 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and Android 9 na din siya, plus yung kanilang EMUI 9.1 na mas nakapagpaganda pa na kanilang unit. And guys, what I like about this smartphone is meron nga siyang 5 AI cameras. Sa front niya guys, makikita niyo yung punch hole camera design here. Meron siyang 32MP f2.0, and sa kanyang likod, as you can see there, makikita mong meron tayong 4 na rear cameras. First shooter is 48MP HD lens. And yung secondary is 16MP, which is for wide angle. And the third one is for bokeh effect. And as you can see guys, meron naka-separate na maliit na camera dito sa side na to. And this one is the macro lens. So sobrang ganda kasi itong 5 AI cameras niya guys, it will clearly present details in the photo. Nababalance nito yung exposure under the lighting conditions. So maganda siya guys. Anyway, magbibigay ko ng sample shots sa inyo. Makikita nyo dyan sa mga sample shots ko kung gaano kalinaw yung camera niya sa front and sa rear cam. And maganda sa kanya guys is pwede mo siyang ma-adjust yung kanyang angle while shooting. And napaka-clear lang at detalyado talaga yung kuha niya. Sakto lang din yung sharpness ng image and yung saturation niya. Maganda siya, balance yung kulay, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung image at ang kanyang clarity. And nakagandahan din sa front cam niya guys is hindi exaggerated. As you can see, parang natural lang siya. But then, if you are using the AI, mas nag-i-improve yung image quality. Pero kung hindi mo naman gusto yung AI camera or AI beautification, is pwede mo naman i-adjust yan into normal. And sa front cam niya guys, is pwede na siyang pang-vlogging. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanyang front camera. Hi guys! So this is the front camera of Nova 5T and as you can see, napaka-clear niya. Ayan o. Maganda siya guys, in fairness. So ayan, kahit maglakad ako, ayan, maganda pa rin siya. Para kung may hawak na gimbal kasi meron siyang image stabilization. So next, pag-uusapan natin guys is yung battery ng smartphone na to. Actually, this smartphone has 3,750 mAh battery capacity. And good thing about it, techies, is meron siyang 22.5 watts supercharge. So, mabilis siyang mag-charge. So, walang problema doon. And of course, napaka-powerful yung performance niya. Lalo na sa gaming guys. Speaking of gaming, ayun, makikita nyo dyan yung performance sa gaming. Napaka-smooth yung run ng game. And yung graphic quality guys, napakaganda. Wala akong masabi talaga. Maganda yung performance even sa PUBG. Mabigat na gaming app yun. Pero kaya niya i-handle to dahil sa Kirin 980 chipset and 7nm. Plus, meron pa siyang Turbo 3.0. Reason why, mas mabilis at mas maganda, mas smooth yung run ng game. Kaya naman guys, no wonder kung bakit sinasabi nito na Nova 5T is the best light flagship smartphone dahil nga sa kanyang generous specs guys para sa atin sa Generation Z at sa mga young at hearts dyan. So guys, kung gusto nyo mag-avail sa kanilang pre-order, mag-pre-order na kayo from today, September 6 to September 13 para maka-avail kayo ng HW surround speaker worth 1,990 plus 1-year IFLIX subscription worth 1,308. Puntahan nyo lang yung link na ibibigay ko below kung gusto nyo mag-purchase at mag-avail ng smartphone na to. Sobrang sulit niya, sobrang ganda, pasok sa akin yung iconic design niya. I love its multi-layered 3D effect, yung light reflection niya guys, napakaganda talaga. And I like its 5 AI cameras. Talagang nabibigyan ng justice yung ating beauty, no? So maganda yung AI cameras nila, yung performance ng cameras. Yung gaming guys, gaming performance niya, napakalit talaga ng gaming. And of course, yung premium design niya talaga. Napakasulit na. Worth it na siya guys sa kanyang price na 18,990. So that's it, techies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again, techies, to my next video. Bye!